What's up, OMG Nation? I stopped by Moonshine Harley Davidson, and you're not going to believe what's behind us. I got my man here, Rob. He's in motorcycle sales. He's going to tell you a little bit about what's going on behind us, the two bikes.
What's up, guys? We've got a new paint job, limited paint in billiard blue and billiard red with some little bit of white. It comes standard with RDRS, which is your reflexive defensive rider system.
All right, so I'm going to show you, are they just in the Road Glides, the limited paint set?
They are only in the Road Glide.
Only in the Road Glide, and it's the Road Glide Special.
Yep, sure is. It's a Road Glide Special, but with limited paint. And I believe they're numbered 1,100 of them only.
Oh, wow. Limited paint. Hey, I'm going to give you guys a close-up of this paint job. And like I said, come see my man Rob. He's in bike sales. He can help you out. I'm going to put his information on the screen. Remember, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.